Super quick video. The cheapest oil in the UK for your motor car in December 2024. So what I can gather from my research, and this just saves you time by the way, is buying it from Tesco. So this one is for my Honda high mileage C3. The Honda takes C3 oil, and the Ford even says that they're Ford A5 B5 for Ford engines, both 5W30. Since the engine's a bit old, don't bother with the 0W30 when your engine's gone over 100,000, I would say. Fully synthetic, so £22 each. £22 for £22. So the cheapest oil currently in December 2024. Tesco's. Thanks for watching.